Hi, welcome back. Another important observation at my end. When you compare with, I have already done the basic difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA. Certain times you will have minor differences which has a lot of impact in S4 HANA. Otherwise, it cannot be new package which supposed to be get implemented by upcoming and the last decade customers. Okay, let's try to understand this. We don't have this one in ECC pre-delivered print form function in S4 HANA sales partners. Okay. So actually this functionality is not there in ECC. That's what I mean to say. If you look at here, so especially, document header partners, if you choose here, if you look at here, relevant for partners, there is something called print level label will be there. When you choose this one, we have to mention the label. So this will be automatically incorporated based on your sold to party, ship to party, or bill to party or payer, whatever the standard functionalities they have given. So you can able to get invite that particular test or print label test based on the partner in the form actually at the time of printing actually. Okay. So I'll just, I don't have S4 HANA system to show you, but you can able to see this. This is the column relevant for print. Let me try to show you the difference with ECC. Nowadays, just last 3 months, I'm doing some videos on ECC. Okay, that's the batch till 2030. So if you look at here, you don't have this functionality here. Okay, let me go back and show you. This is sales document header. As for on a screen, I cannot able to show you. And I have done my past videos. Probably you can might observe partner determination in S4 HANA. You don't have this kind of flexibility with ECC. See, it's not a deal breaker for ECC, and still you can learn in a better way. But this is observation. If someone asks, probably like, closely reading the things S4 HANA, you said that, you put some project in S4 HANA or else you really work, you might have that observation. Probably my observation will be helpful to you at the time of attending interviews, or else in real time, really you would like to implement this functionality, you can try. Okay. So I think if you like this video, please like it. And if you really wanted to get more updates like this, you can subscribe either offline or system updates. That's what I would like to tell. Okay. So ECC, we don't have this one. That's what I mean to say. So the final conclusion is that what I wanted to say is we will not find this functionality in ECC, but no problem. We're likely to have ECC for last 30 to 40 years. So these are the different set of courses. I have SD and S4 HANA. I'm just providing those links below this video. If you really like it, you can subscribe these courses to get used to it. Now, S4 HANA I have business partner courses, and probably I'm just recommending you try this course. And apart from that, 3 scenarios with CVA integration I have explained. And intercompany sales with BP partners, I have done this. Consignment sales, there is no difference between ECC and S4 HANA. You can directly configure and you can show, especially till 2021. After that, 22 or 23, any changes came, I don't know. Probably will have a look around when I have an access of new version. You try this FSCM integration. This is very, very important. Your SD credit management settings got moved to FSCM. You try this course. Being SD consultant, you should have to help and closely work with your FI folks. Then certain times you might get a client only based on finance or insurance or else some kind of order billing relevant service industry. Such a cases also FSCM FSCO has a lot of importance actually. Okay, you can try that. If you already trying yourself, you can try this. Getting master to write functional specification before getting into real time. Okay, for your first job, and you can try this idocs, get equipped with some kind of good knowledge before attempting experience in interview. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. And Jai Bharat. please stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.